Hello guys, today I want to show you how does Kalshi work, okay? Now Kalshi, to make a quick summary for this, is basically a regulated prediction market where you can buy and sell contracts that are going to pay you a certain amount of money if an event happens or zero if it doesn't happen, okay? So as you can see here in the main page, we have different events, okay? You basically have like your trending events, your politic events, sports, cultures, and many different other categories, okay? Depending on what your interests are, or maybe what you know about the topic is basically, okay? So depending on this, you're gonna have different events, as I said before, and you can vote or you can kind of take a guess on what's going to happen in the future for this event, for example. So, I can maybe, let's check out, for example, this event of Slovakia versus Finland in the men's hockey at the Winter Games. Okay, and I can kind of bet on Slovakia or I can bet on Finland. Okay, and this is going to tell me the odds of, Finland winning or Slovakia winning. As you can see, this is 82% and this is 90%. So if I, for example, click on this, this is going to tell me that for every dollar that I put in, okay, for example, if I put a dollar in, I'm basically going to get $1 in return, okay, which is not too good. All right. However, if I click in here instead, what's going to happen is that I'm going to get more money, okay, because the winnings of Slovakia are actually much less of winning, okay? So I'm going to get $4 for every single dollar that I put in. All right, guys, so this is pretty much how it works. It's like a betting kind of system where you're playing against different users and you're making predictions, okay? So you obviously make money by buying low, as you can see, 18%, and selling high, okay? Or by holding winning contracts that are going to pay you $1. It's important to notice, guys, that Kalshi is regulated by the US CFCT and operates like an exchange for event outcomes. Okay, so this is kind of safe. It's completely safe, actually. Okay, so the other thing you need is an account that you can just sign in with your email, and you need to basically deposit cash, okay, from your, Google Play, debit card, crypto, or wire transfer. So you can just put money into here, and now you have to start making bets, okay, and like putting in real money. As you can see in here, I can put here like $4 or $5, and that's gonna sell me. That's gonna give me something, okay? And I can also sell my actions or my positions, okay? So this is something that you can do. Now, guys, it's very important that whenever you hold a contract expiry and the event resolves yes, Kalshi is gonna pay you that amount of money, okay? So you don't have to do anything besides actually putting your position in here and then just waiting. How are you gonna know when the position is gonna end or when are you getting money? Is by looking at this date in here. As you can see here, it says March 3, 2 p.m., November 3, 2 p.m., so on, so on, so on. So, depending on what's gonna happen in here, you're gonna get different outcomes and you're gonna get the money at different times. All right. So yeah, just keep in mind that the liquidity is gonna vary across different markets, like different pools and times. Okay, because for this one, for example, as you can see, this choice in here is kind of even. You have 51, 55%, so that's not gonna give you like the best return. Okay. Also, you have to note, guys, that Kalshi is gonna charge you trading fees. So yeah, just check the interest rate and things like that. And that Kalshi is going to operate under CFTC oversight, which is going to affect how the markets are structured and compliance requirements. Meaning that not everything is going to be in this pulse, okay? You're only going to have like a different or like a limited amount of things that you can vote on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty safe option, and I recommend you give it a try with a small amount of money to see how it works. Thank you so much.